Why is diversification important? I'm Mike Proctor with Leading Edge Financial Planning, and we're going to talk about diversification today. First off, what is diversification? Diversification is when you have multiple investments within a portfolio and they are going to go up and down, not exactly at the same rate or the same time. You can also have maybe a stock holding that'll go up and down, and also a bond holding that's going to be more stable and steady. It'll still fluctuate over time, but it's not going to go up and down nearly as much as a stock would. The reason you have both a stock and a bond or equity and income component within your portfolio, one that's going up and down more and one that is far more stable, is that stable component is going to be there to either produce income or produce a source of funds for some goal, objective, or paying the bills at some point in time, whether that's retirement or whether that's even saving up to buy a house. One of the positive benefits of diversification in the portfolio is that when you have one component that's going up more and then you rebalance and you sell off some of the positive gains in the portfolio to buy more of that stability component in the portfolio, then that actually brings your portfolio up in a little bit better way with a little bit better risk over time. So the math works out in positive ways when you have it set up well in a portfolio, and it also will keep your risk exposure similar over time. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about what diversification is not. Diversification is not necessarily having your money at different institutions or even different advisors, because you can have the same portfolio set at multiple large investment houses or multiple different people that are managing your money, even if you're one of those managers yourself, and it could be effectively the same type of investment. It's important to know what your diversification is in different portfolios and different types of portfolios and their different purposes. You may have a retirement account that has a different mixture of diversification than a taxable account, because that's the right thing for you. If you don't know the answer to that question, or you're working with somebody that hasn't really talked you through that, feel free to get some time with us, and we'd love to talk through that with you. We would really enjoy working with you and figuring out within your context of lifestyle financial planning, what's the right fit, what are the right mixtures for you, and how to best diversify strategically for your situation. Hopefully this description of diversification has cleared a few things up for you today. I'm Mike Proctor with Leading Edge Financial Planning. Phone number is 316-768-7526.